Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, I'm going to be going a little bit over Coinbase Earn and how you can get $9 of the compound token right now. And I'm going to show you guys how to convert it into Bitcoin, because I don't really know what compound is. This video is pretty much going to give you the answers to the compound earn questions that you'll get through Coinbase. Alright, so before we get further into the video, you know I gotta ask for them likes, comments, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I wanted to show off my shirt. Look at this. Nickelodeon back in the good old days. Cat Dog, Reptar, the little dog from the Rugrats, Rocco, lit. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so as you can see, you're gonna have the whole screen right here. All you need to do is to go to coinbase.com/earn, and you'll get to the Coinbase Earn section. And as you can see up here on the top right here, you can earn up to $155, more than $155 right now, by doing the tasks that are in the Coinbase Earn program. There are some cryptos that you can get through Coinbase Earn, and there are some that aren't on here, but you can't get no more because they ran out of the funds to give people that are trying to earn. But as you can see, there's like maybe 8 different cryptos you can get, but today we're gonna go over compound, and we're gonna start the course, and I'm gonna answer all the questions for you guys. Just real quick, I don't really know what compound is, but again, I'm just gonna get the $9 of compound and I'm gonna convert it into Bitcoin, because I don't really know too much about it besides that how it says right here. Compound is a protocol that lets anyone borrow and earn interest on their crypto, and it has something to do with supply and demand, but we'll probably learn a little bit of that as we're doing the course. Okay, so I'm gonna click right here, start course, so we can start the compound course, and just you can follow along and guess all the answers correctly with me. Let's see. Get started. Lesson 1. There's 3 lessons. Each one gives you $3 each. So let's just answer them as fast as possible. And I might have to skip forward because some of these videos are like 3 minutes long, so I'm probably just gonna speed up or something.
Sophisticated crypto investor with assets on exchanges and in private wallets. However, these assets are effectively idle because she's not earning interest on any of them. Her cash savings account pays interest. Why can't her crypto? This is why Compound was created. With Compound, Maya can earn interest on her crypto assets by supplying them to the protocol. Other users can then borrow her crypto, and then they pay interest on the borrowed assets. All of the suppliers and borrowers who use Compound...
Alright, I'm gonna just try to guess the answer right here, right? So I know compound is for earning interest on your crypto, so I'm just gonna click on that one. Seems like the most obvious one out of all of them. And let's see what happens. It's correct. Alright, so that's the answer for the first question. Let's go to next. Borrowing crypto with compound.
Borrowing crypto with compound. Typically, in order to take out a loan, Maya would have to fill out an application with a centralized financial service provider. It's a
well, like you see, you don't even have to go through the whole video
and opportunities for buyers.
In order to answer the questions.
Crypto assets directly from Compound instead, using assets she has supplied to the protocol as collateral. In traditional finance, this process of borrowing against supplied assets is called over-collateralized lending. Compound is different from a typical money market, though, because it's decentralized and operates completely autonomously. The only central authority is the code itself. With Compound, Maya, or any financial application or service, can instantly access borrowed crypto assets and then make use of them however they see fit. For example, Maya's goal might be to put an advanced trading strategy into place, like leveraging her borrowed.
So you gotta wait a little bit, about a minute into the video, to get the answers available to you. So what do you need to do to borrow crypto with Compound?
Can also be used as collateral to borrow any other supported asset of Maya's choice. The more more she supplies, the higher her borrowing limit increases.
So you see, the more you supply, the more you can borrow. So let's go with this one. Supply a crypto asset as collateral.
This means that each supply...
Pretty sure that's the right answer. Boom. Go to next.
Lesson number 3. What is the comp token? Compound's goal is to create a protocol that can run forever and evolve an entirely...
So Compound, their native currency or token is the comp token. So here goes the answers. Who gets to decide the future of the Compound protocol? So I've read a little bit about this. I know that you get voting rights when you get Compound tokens. So that's who I think decides the future. So let's go with comp token holders. You see here, look, I already got one right here that it's been delivered to my account. Just hit done. All done with all 3. Boom, boom, boom. It's all been done. Those are the 3 answers. That's how you get your $9 in Compound. Just to show you guys that I have it, I'm going to go to my portfolio, and of course I'm going to block some things out. So I'm gonna click on it right now. And right here on the right, you can see that I received my Compound already. So it's in my account right now, and I am going to try to convert it now into Bitcoin, because again, I want to receive Bitcoin until I learn more about Compound. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So you'll click I'm right here on Compound, my wallet, my Compound wallet in my Coinbase account, and then you would go to, where is it? Can you convert it? Probably not. Well, convert. There you go. Convert all. And then I'll convert it now. They're not going to charge you a fee. And then I'll have the $9. Let's... Boom. My balance is 0, so I know I got it in Bitcoin. Let's see. So it does not charge you a fee, but I don't know if they charge like spread, but right here you can see I lost 19 cents of that. So now I only got $8.80 converted into Bitcoin. Let's see, if I go back to my overall portfolio, you can see that my Compound got converted into Bitcoin right here. So now I have $9 more of Bitcoin. Boom. So those are the answers for this Compound Earn right here on Coinbase, and that's how you convert your assets. You go to trade and you hit the convert button, and then whatever you want to convert from Bitcoin to any of these other altcoins, or if you want to go from an altcoin to something else, and let's say you want to do Ethereum with some other token, you can do that. But yeah, that's how you do that. So again, this video was not meant to teach you anything about Compound. It was just to show you how you can use Coinbase Earn and how to convert your altcoins into Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it. If you want to learn more about Compound, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go directly to their website. You can find their white paper there, so you can fully learn what Compound is. And I'm going to give a look into that more. You know, like I said, I know the basic stuff about it. It's just a protocol that lets you lend your other crypto assets, and you can take out a loan on your own crypto assets. So it's stuff like that regarding lending crypto. But any other information will be provided in the description. Again, Compound website's going to be in the description, and I'm going to leave a direct link to Coinbase Earn in the description, so you can take advantage of all this free crypto that's available to people using Coinbase right now. So get on it. But yeah, until next time, let's get this money. Peace.